How can we be sure the Quran we have today with us is the very same book as was given by the Prophet to his companions? How can we be sure that the Quran has remained intact over the last 1400 years plus? Something unique has happened in the case of the Quran. So, if there are people who doubt the authenticity of the Quran, and if somebody from outside the fold of Islam wants to understand it, would do well to have a first hand experience of what's going on, particularly when they're saying their prayers. We memorize the Quran. There are people who memorize the Quran from cover to cover, and there are people like me who have memorized some part of the Quran. This is what is true for many people all over the Muslim world, right from the east, Indonesia, or even further till the west. Wherever there are Muslim communities, you've got people who have memorized the Quran either completely or in most cases, at least a part of it. This was the same way with the last generation and the one previous to it. The Quran that is being recited all throughout the Muslim world is the same. What we understand is that the Prophet, may God's mercy be on him, he received the Quran from the Almighty through the angel in his heart. And as soon as he would receive a revelation, it would be a part of his memory. The entire Quran was revealed, and it was then revised as far as its sequence was concerned. A group of companions that were around him had the Quran with them. I personally have memorized some part of the Quran. I recite it while I am praying. At times I'm leading prayers and I'm reciting it. If I commit a mistake, there is somebody behind me who corrects me. This Quran is the very same text as was given by the last prophet, and it has not undergone any changes whatsoever.